In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location link in Canva invitation. If you're sending a digital invitation or a PDF, adding a clickable address that takes guests straight to directions makes their experience so much smoother. We'll keep this simple and focused, and by the end you'll have a clean, professional invite with a working map link. First, grab the link to your venue in Google Maps. Open maps.google.com in your browser and type in the exact venue name or street address. Make sure you select the correct result on the map, then double-check that the pin and details match your event location. When you're confident, click the Share button. In the Share window, copy the link provided. This is the URL your guests will use to open directions, so it's worth verifying it points to the right place. Now switch over to Canva and open your invitation design. If you don't already have a spot for the address, add a text box where it fits nicely in your layout, typically near the event details. Keep the text clear and concise. You can type the full street address, the venue name with the address below it, or a short phrase like, "tap for directions," depending on your style. The key is that the text looks clean, because the actual web link will live behind it. Next, highlight the text you want to make clickable. In the top toolbar, click the link icon, the one that looks like a chain link. A small field will appear. Paste the Google Maps URL you copied earlier into that field. This allows the text to remain readable while the link does the heavy lifting. If the URL looks long and messy, don't worry, your guests will only see the neat text you typed. When you're done pasting, click Done to apply the link. From here, your address is now an active link. On a digital invite or a PDF, guests can click the address and go straight to Google Maps for directions. A quick tip: if you preview the design in Canva or download a PDF to test, click the address to confirm it opens correctly. Links are preserved in PDFs and when you share your design via a Canva link, but they won't be clickable if you export as an image like JPG or PNG. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.